Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online to organize your transactions and get better insights into your business. Start by enabling the Locations feature. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard, then go to Account and Settings. From the left panel, select Advanced, then click on Categories. Here, toggle on Track Locations so the switch turns green. This activates the feature. Now to apply locations, head to Transactions from the left panel and click Bank Transactions. Select any transaction you want to categorize, and in the transaction details, use the drop-down menu to assign the appropriate location. And that's it. Now you can organize transactions by location, gain clearer insights, and manage your business finances more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials and tips.